There's a few different cultures that do vine leaves that are filled with delicious rice, but I think Theo's Greek version rules all of them.
Well,
I might get in trouble for saying that.
yeah, well, you say that every culture has their version of Dolmades, but this is the only version. I'm saying it. It's the best version. So, yeah, this is a family favourite. Absolutely love it. I used to steal them when I was little, just, you know, one, and then I'd take another one, and by the end of it, I'd had 10 in a row. So these are Moorish, and they're the best fun to make as well. So
let's start with the vine leaves.
Yeah.
If you don't have a grape tree at the back,
yeah, well, bad luck to you, you can't make these. No, so if you don't have them, you can get store-bought ones that have been brined, but just make sure you blanch them in some water for like 10, 15 seconds just to get rid of that saltiness, because otherwise it really throws out the balance of the dish. The first step is to toast your rice. Okay. I like to do this. So we're going to add some olive oil to a pan, and we're just going to toast off the rice just to start the cooking process ever so slightly.
Does it give it a nuttier flavour?
Yeah, it just imparts a little bit of the nuttiness that you're toasting it off, but also it gets that process going, so you don't have to cook them as long in the pot, which is a nice thing.
All right.
While I'm doing that, I'll get you to get everything over there in the food processor, because that's all going to go in our vine leaf.
Okay, so we've got some onions here, a little bit of chilli.
Yeah, this is a little bit of a twist on it. You know, adds a little bit more depth of flavour, and it just brings, you know, a little bit of heat that you might want.
Okay, in that goes. And your herb choices, a big handful of mint.
Yeah.
And parsley. The whole lot goes in, stalks and all?
Yeah, stalks and all. Don't be afraid of the stalks. They've got lots of flavour.
Just roughly chop that.
And this is so easy to do. It's everything in a food processor. You're going to process it till it's just chopped finely, and then that's it. So it's really easy.
Yeah.
And now my pan is hot enough so I can toast off this rice for about 5 minutes, just so it's nice and roasty and toasty.
Very nice. And I'm going to blend this until it's super fine. Theo, how is that? Not too fine?
That is perfect. Smells amazing. And then you can see also this rice is ready. A few of the grains have started to change colour, started to go a bit white, and also a little bit of brown on there as well. Perfect. So everything is going to go in this big bowl, and then we're going to mix it up. We're going to start rolling. It's that easy.
All right. So in with the onion mixture.
Yep. And then I'm going to go in with my rice.
I've never seen the rice being toasted for dolmades. Such a great little twist to it.
That's why it's the best. So we're going to go in with half of our can of tomatoes here.
Okay.
Then a little bit more olive oil, because olive oil is flavour, we know that. Beautiful. That's a lot of olive oil. Then I'm going to add some of this stock as well, because we don't want our mixture to be too dry. You know, it's rice, it needs liquid. So we'll go in with a ladle of that, mix it up, and then I'll tell you how it looks. Yeah, see, that's pretty good. So a ladle of the stock. Then we're going to come across and also season it with some salt.
Oh, yeah, it needs a good seasoning, doesn't it?
Good seasoning. Beautiful. And then we'll go in with 1 lemon as well. Always going to bring out that beautiful flavour of the rice, the herbs and everything, and bring everything together.
This is sensational.
Smells amazing, doesn't it?
And it looks like it's not enough liquid to cook all of that rice in these little dolmades, but you're going to add more liquid later.
Yeah, correct. It's going to be covered to just the top of the dolmades when it goes into the pot as well. So now we can give that a quick taste. Even though the rice is raw, I still like to taste a little bit before we start rolling.
Yeah, if you're going to make the effort to make all these dolmades and they're not seasoned enough.
Perfect. So good.
Happy.
So good.
Good. All right, show us the art of rolling a dolmade.
All right, this is like Greek origami here. So we get 1 vine leaf.
Yes.
All right. So we're looking at it now. You need the seam up, so you can see that there's more of that leaf. The vein of the leaf is sitting up.
Yep.
We're going to cut off this part of the stem, because that's quite hard to eat.
Okay.
And then we're going to grab our mixture. Your vine leaves are different sizes as well. You have smaller ones, bigger ones, but what you want to make sure is that you're rolling it properly. So we've got our vine leaf here, we're gonna take the bottom up and then really bring that in tight. You want it to be tight, and then you bring each side in like it's giving itself a hug, just like that.
Oh, nice.
It's nice, isn't it? And then we're just gonna hold it tight and keep rolling. You'll see some of the liquid come out, but most of it should stay. And that's our dolmade. And we're gonna continue rolling until we have no mixture left.
All right, well, better get to it.
Yeah. So now is the time where we are gonna load these dolmades into our pot. So the first thing that we need to do is line the bottom of this pot so they don't burn on the bottom. So I'm just gonna grab some leftover vine leaves and just put them in the bottom.
Yep. Nothing goes to waste.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's nice like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start loading these in, making sure there's no space in between them so that it's all nice and snug.
Okay.
So the next step is to add some of our tomato mixture and then some chicken stock just to cover the top of these dolmades.
And what's this plate for?
So the plate is essential in this recipe. So the plate will keep pressure and weight on the top of the dolmades so they don't float around in liquid and it makes them stay in place.
And how long do you cook them for?
So around about 45 minutes. That's normally on a low heat is perfect. So I wouldn't be too worried if you go a bit above 45 minutes, you know, 50, 55 is fine,
Yep.
but not under 45 minutes.
Okay.
I can smell that the dolmades are ready and it's time, it's go time. Ooh, we can see them. We're gonna get that plate off the top.
There we go.
Oh, how good does that look?
They've really swelled up, haven't they?
Yeah, you know, this rice is gonna soak up all that juice and all that flavour and you're gonna end up with beautiful, plump dolmades. The next step is to make our Avgolemono sauce that's gonna go on top of these dolmades. So, what I'll get you to do, just put one egg in this bowl for me and the juice of one lemon, and I'm gonna start whisking.
Okay, juice of a lemon. A whole lemon?
Yeah, a whole lemon. This is a very lemony sauce. Avgolemono, that's what it means. Egg and lemon. So,
Is this
yeah.
like, the only time I've actually tried this is in is it a chicken soup, a chicken rice soup?
Yeah, exactly. That's what, yeah, the traditional Avgolemono sauce
Yeah.
is that soup. It's very, I hated it growing up.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I just couldn't stand this soup. It was like the worst thing my parents could give me. Now I can't get enough, so.
And it goes with the dolmades.
Yeah, it goes
I didn't know
perfectly with the dolmades. So I'll get you to start trickling that hot stock in. We're gonna cook this egg a little bit and just thicken this sauce ever so slightly. So the traditional method is once the dolmades are cooked, you'll make your Avgolemono sauce and you'll pour it into that pot and let it set. So it creates like a casing around each dolmade and it's really beautiful. But you can do it either way. I really like to have a sauce to go with it. It's quite nice to dip it in or pour it on top as well.
So I've never done anything like this before.
So this is, yeah, like you said, you can make the soup the same way, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful sauce. So that's it. So now we're gonna plate up our beautiful dolmades.
Okay.
Look at these things. Oh, that looks so good. You can just see how delicate they are, but at the same time, they are just plump and they've sucked in all the juice of the chicken stock, the lemon, the oil. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh,
Beautiful.
look at that. Now I'm just gonna spoon some of this Avgolemono sauce on top. My mouth's watering. Look at that. Beautiful.
In Greek culture, do you just eat this whenever, or is it a celebratory kind of thing, Easter?
Whenever. Always. But it is often at, you know, Easter, Christmas. But honestly, if you have these at home and you have a big pot like that, you can just munch on them all week and they're just delicious.
Speaking of munching, I'm going to dig in.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
And hot too.
Oof, very hot.
So different eating them nice and warm. So good. And the mint. You really taste that. and a big hit of lemon. Theo, they're absolutely fantastic. Freshly made dolmades that are still warm. Absolute heaven.